This patient has a short right leg, which indicates a posterior hip on her right side. There is also a lot of tension in the thoracic or mid to upper area of her back. These first 3 adjustments are to correct the thoracic subluxations. Next, the patient lays on her left side in order for Dr. John to correct her posterior pelvis. Next, Dr. John has the patient lay on her back in order to correct her cervical spine, which is C2 to the left and C4 to the right.